that great product launch. You guys did an awesome job filming at home. It was really fun for us to watch. Up next, I'd like to invite on the stage with me Geoffrey Janvier, the VP of Product and Engineering for Talentsoft, and we are going to talk about fueling innovation. Welcome.
Thank you, Kara.
So you were telling me that you guys have 5+ years of ideas for the product in the pipeline. I think we're all kind of wondering, how do you prioritize?
The big challenge is that we have 2,300 customers, all with great ideas on how we could improve the product. I think in the past 12 months, they submitted something like 800 ideas in the Talentsoft community, which is a huge amount of ideas. And in addition to that, we want to launch new innovation, leverage new technologies, and improve the product. So that's a big question. How do we prioritize? So first, we set high-level priorities at the corporate level. For example, in 2018, delivering core HR, get this product off the ground was the top priority. And this year, it's about customer satisfaction, with 65% of the resources allocated to it. Then we have created a scorecard that enables us to rank the initiative in regards of specific criteria, such as how much customer will benefit from it, in which country, area, market sector, what will be the value provided by the initiative, and of course, how long it will take to deliver it. And as we have ideas abounding every day, regularly, we review the priorities once a quarter. For example, with COVID-19, we decided to reallocate some resource on use cases that were more relevant for the remote work and the crisis, such as the use case that we made available in Microsoft Teams.
Okay, so you mentioned resource allocation, and I'm curious, with 200+ developers, how do you guys stay organized to remain efficient?
The way the team work together and organize is critical. I think if we are successful and if we're able to compete with much larger software provider, is that we are a native SaaS development shop first, and that we've been able to automate many things in the past few years. We have a deep functional expertise organized in teams devoted in 3-4 product lines: talent acquisition, talent management, learning, and core HR. And we have cross-functional teams that are supporting the other in their requirements. And efficiency for me equals focus, automation, and visibility. And we are lucky to have an operation team whose project manager are aligning everyone, giving visibility and following up on release plans and cross-functional projects. And for example, when the pandemic hit, we were all remote. But as everything was digitalized and our operation team was able to coordinate, we didn't slow us down. They didn't really slow us down the experience.
Okay, so what are you guys focusing on for the next 12 to 36 months?
We are first a talent transformation platform. So we want to unlock the talent of any employee in the organization. We know that we are used to attractive user experience, very intuitive user experience in our private life. So we want to reproduce the same with Talentsoft. So one of our big priorities is user experience. In the end, delivering a solution without having users adopting it makes no sense. A second area is to make our platform more secure and compliant. We want your CIO to be happy that you picked Talentsoft to operate your HR processes. And it goes through strong regulation compliance and offering multiple options, cost-effective options to operate Talentsoft on a daily basis. The third driver is the openness of the platform. We definitely consider that each HR innovation is not about only one tool, but choice and flexibility in your choice. So we want a very open platform that enables our customers to plug any third-party solution in a matter of days. So that's really the idea.
Oh, that's really good news for a lot of the people who are listening today who might want to partner with you guys. Who are your partners at Talentsoft?
We definitely want to work with leaders in their respective fields and markets, but we are lucky to have privileged partnerships, such as the one we have with Microsoft. What has had really a lot of visibility in the past few months is our integration with Microsoft Teams. But I want also to say that we have other work streams with Microsoft. One is on the cloud, how to optimize our cloud and the way we leverage Azure so we can capitalize on their experts. And the other one is about accessibility, how to enable people with disabilities to use Talentsoft. I'm really proud of the lately because in small amount of time we've been able to set up a team, exchange with the expert, capitalize on their expertise, and revamp our accessibility roadmap. And I'm happy to say today that 100% of the features that we deliver now, based on our design system, are 100% accessible. So it's a huge step forward.
That's really incredible.
Yeah, and yes, of course, I think collaboration is key in HR innovation. We definitely want to be able to work with any market player, and why not our competition at some point? So that's why we want a very open platform.
Wow. Well, I think that's great for everybody who's paying attention today to potentially, if they're a leader, partner with Talentsoft. What other big bets do you have in innovation?
We have plenty of innovation in mind. Of course, 5 years of roadmap, you could imagine. I think the big one, and it's our fourth pillar, is about intelligent platform, leveraging artificial intelligence, to support our users. We already delivered valuable features with Smart Assistant, Training Match, or the chatbot in Microsoft Teams. But with this club, it's also the occasion to inform that we acquired Crafty, a small HR tech company that delivered a tool to map out competencies of employees all over the organization in real time. And with Crafty acquisition, we are strengthening our data team and I think our core foundation for our matching offer. In the end, matching starts by a great understanding of your talent, their skills, their inspiration, and their motivation. And with Crafty Engine and the skill graph, dynamic skill graph that they delivered, we will definitely speed up the delivery of the solution. Our customers will quickly benefit from a new talent profile that will be, over the time, automatically enriched and updated. And they will also get access to new place to find internal opportunities with the talent marketplace. And with the time, with more users interacting with the product and more data collected, I think our algorithm will be trained and will be able to generate insight, because that's the goal, to be irrigated in HR processes and in the flow of work of the talent.
Well, you certainly have a lot going on in innovation, and we jumped right into that question, but I'd like to take a step back and just ask you, what does innovation mean to you?
That's a good question. First, for me, innovation, it's not only about new features, it's about any change that you bring that unlocks new value. At Talentsoft, we bet on active engagement with our customers, our community, listening to them and co-creating with them. And we approach innovation in different ways depending on the maturity of the product. On really mature products, it's about delivering new experience. So we engage with users and we deliver new and improved experience, such as the one that we delivered lately with the new evaluation form. And on new products, it's quite different. It's about co-creating, so regular and quick iteration with engaged customers. For example, regular discussion and workshop with Pôle Emploi and Orange enable us to make sure that we were delivering the right things first, and it's been great on Talent Profile and Talent Marketplace. We didn't have done it alone, and we're just releasing a new concept which is called Innovation Studio to validate early stage ideas with the community. We want to build prototypes, share it with the community, ask if there is a fit or a need, and put it in the roadmap if there is a fit, of course. And it will also be the opportunity to test new technology. I could mention voice interface, for example. Let's imagine that you talk to your Talentsoft platform tomorrow to get insight out of it. That could be cool, I think.
Yeah, I think that'd be cool too. So it sounds like your users and your customers are really an integral part of the entire innovation process. And I know there are a lot of them, thousands of them connected in today. Do you have any last takeaways that you would like to share with them?
Yeah. So first, I want to invite them to join the product workshop. I think the team did a great job, did really a great job to bring a great content together, and they're expecting the feedback. And you know, in these uncertain times, I think, again, that collaboration is key. So I would like to invite them to help us, joining the community, be candidate for early adopter programs, and bottom line, just sharing their experience and their feedback on the product, but also on their daily life. We all need to transform in the end, so let's do it collectively.
Well, thank you so much. So you heard it from Geoffrey. Participate in the workshops and give your ideas and your feedback. They're really looking forward to co-creating with you, and maybe we'll see some of your ideas in the next product roadmap. Thank you.
Thank you, Kayla.